If you're seeing a Beehiiv Timeout error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to work as quickly as possible. A timeout error usually means Beehiiv is taking too long to respond, which can happen because of a temporary server issue, a weak internet connection, a browser problem, or even something as simple as a large upload. The good news is that most of the time you can fix it without any technical experience. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple software tutorials because I post quick step-by-step guides to help you solve problems fast. First, refresh the Beehiiv page. Sometimes the issue is temporary and a quick refresh is all it takes to reconnect to the service. If that doesn't work, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable or try switching to a different network if possible. A slow or unstable connection can easily trigger a timeout. Next, wait a few minutes and try again. If Beehiiv is under heavy load or having a short server delay, the problem may clear up on its own. While you wait, it's also a good idea to log out of Beehiiv completely and then log back in. This can help reset your session and clear up any temporary authentication issue. If the timeout error is still there, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old cache data or broken session files can interfere with how Beehiiv loads. After that, disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers, because they can sometimes stop Beehiiv from working correctly. Another very useful fix is to open Beehiiv in an incognito window. This gives you a clean browser session without stored cache or most extensions, so it's a great way to test whether the issue is browser related. If incognito works, then the problem is most likely tied to your browser settings or extensions. If the error continues, try a different browser. For example, if you're using Chrome, test it in Safari, Firefox, or Edge. Sometimes a browser update or compatibility issue can cause timeout problems. Also, if you're uploading large files or images, reduce the size of those uploads if applicable. Large uploads can take longer to process and may time out before Beehiiv finishes handling them. At this point, save your work and retry the action. If you are editing a post or newsletter, make sure your content is saved so you don't lose progress. Then try the same action again after a short pause. It may work fine the second time. You should also check if Beehiiv is experiencing an outage. If their servers are having issues, there may be nothing wrong on your end. Look for a status page, social updates, or community reports to confirm whether the platform is down. If it is, the best solution is simply to wait until service is restored. Finally, restart your browser. Close it completely, reopen it, and try Beehiiv again. A fresh browser restart can clear temporary glitches and free up resources that may be causing the timeout. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot most Beehiiv timeout errors quickly and safely. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.